is Funtime with Adrian, and here we have the Pikachu EX tin. This Pikachu EX looks really 3D, and it gives you a little information in the back, and I like the artwork on this Pikachu EX. So let's get this bad boy opened. Here we got the Pikachu EX, and we got the 4 booster packs, and the tin. Yeah. Here we have the Pikachu EX. It really looks 3D. Huh? We got the 4 booster packs. We got Steam Siege, another Steam Siege, Ancient Origins, a Primal Clash. And let's go get these booster packs opened. So our first booster pack, Steam Siege. 1, 2, 3. We got a hollow. Nothing good. Here we got our next booster pack. A trainer. Another trainer. Wait. Yeah. Whoa! Oh my gosh. We got a hole that has like a different color on this side and then another color on this side. Whoa. Our next booster pack. We got a special energy. Wow. Ooh, we got an Eevee. Cottony? We got Trainer Hollow, and our last card. Our last booster pack. One, 2, 3. We got another special energy? Well, electric. Skitty. Rhyhorn. We got our hollow, reverse hollow. We got what? Oh my gosh. We got a full art Magcargo. We got a full art mag cargo. Wow. Wow. It's not any hollow, but yeah, this is good. Wow. Wow. These are the good pulls we got from the tin. We got all of these hollows, and we got one full art. And we got 2 special energies and 1 Pikachu EX promo. Thanks for watching Funtime with Adrian. Feel free to leave a comment below. And please subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye!